Hello and welcome to our
YouTube channel, and today we're going to present to you this double layer, super cool, smart tech and
the Brio train track. So as you can see, we're waiting for the green light for us to go.
Yeah.
Ready? Go! Fantastic! So
Now we've got the smart techs which are ready to roll.
that is a double layer train track.
Yeah.
As you can see, here's the top layer and the bottom layer, and we can see the train going from the top.
Yeah. So speed up.
That's awesome. And we're gonna show you the bridge. Oh. Let's make it glow in the dark. Awesome.
This is really nice with the red and now white. This is amazing. Then it's gonna be blue, I guess. No, white again. What?
We need more light. So we put the light back on. That is the double layer train track. That is awesome. The way it's going. It's glowing in the dark. It's hard to manage.
Yeah.
Oh, look what's gonna happen. That's awesome. The two trains got stopped at the same time. And we're gonna use the crane.